Why, hello there, artists and world builders alike. Shams Nelson here from Pencil Power. Wait, what? What? What a twist! This is the announcement video for my new channel, Pencil Power, where I'm going to be hosting all of the drawing tutorials and videos that used to be intermingled with the world building stuff that I've done on Pen and Blade. Long, many eons ago. Pen and Blade used to be called Fantastic Anatomy. And if you look at my oldest videos, they're about drawing and learning the anatomy, and they're not necessarily, some of them are fantasy focused, but not necessarily. So I kind of realized like some people are here for drawing, some people here for world building, tabletop RPG, fantasy stuff, map drawing. So that stuff is going to be on one side, and then the other side we're going to have like, the drawing, anatomy, just like artsy stuff. So we've got two sides, and if you're on this side, or if you like to see my stuff on this side, or you just can't get enough of me, then go subscribe to Pencil Power. And if you like this stuff, then you're already here. So, and that's it. Let's keep this short and sweet. Peace, God bless, and stay fantastic, everyone.